How to manage notification in Snapchat. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this episode, I'll be showing you the procedure to manage notification in Snapchat. In order to manage notification in your Snapchat application, you need to follow these steps. First thing first, open the Snapchat application and log into your account. Press on the Bitmoji icon from the top right corner and then click the gear icon from the top right hand side corner once again. Under these My Account section, you could find notification. So this is the page you could go ahead and manage your notification. That means you could go and customize it. What sort of notification you'd like to hear, just mark on it. And what sort of notification you don't like to receive or you don't want to receive, just unmark that. And this way you need to make changes or just make sure to save the changes, and that's how you could manage notification in Snapchat. So this is how it actually works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.